Welcome back to this tutorial. In our last tutorial, we saw how we could populate all the inserted settings from the settings table. Also, we saw how to bring in um, the user profile details which we saved in the user table in the pharmacy management system database. So we were able to make everything dynamic. We have the logo here made dynamic. So profile, meaning that if we log into a different user, let's say, for example, if we go to our user table here, we have a different user. Okay, so let's say this user, let me just go direct to these users and edit this user. For instance, yeah, Edward, this with this email. So when I edit this user and I come to password and I say 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then I save the I update that so we can log in as Edward with using this email. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So when I sign out and put in email for Edward, then sign in. Of course, that one is 1 2 3 4. So we can see it is now Edward Ghana. This is the Edward Ghana details. It's totally different from the one that we was logged in. That is the admin. So that is what whatever I've worked on means. Okay, so I want us today to work on this dashboard. So I just want us to finish with the dashboard, and in our next tutorial, which will be like we are starting to summarize on this project, is we will see how to print invoices use in the PDF. So we'll use the DOM PDF. So in this tutorial, we just work on this dashboard. So we see simple dashboard. Okay, let's start without wasting a lot of time. So to start, we simply go to our dashboard. So our dashboard file is situated at dashboard. So we are dashboard, then dashboard. Okay, so I just want us to use one style here. So I think I'm going to remove one. So let's remove this one. We won't remain with this one. Okay, let me remove this. Just want to remove this. Let's make this thing is a bit untidy. So we'll get rid of this comments which is making it look so untidy. Okay, comments are not good. Sometimes they are not good when they are too much. Okay, so we remove the comments and we remain with our code very clean and neat. Yeah, so we have this one here, this one small box which we are going to use to populate everything. So let's say, for example, we can copy this, we copy, and then let me see. Okay, let me remove the extra spaces. So we can copy this, and then we come down here and paste. So when I save that and then come to refresh this page, I'm expecting to get 2. Okay, then we have another one. Let me just see why this thing is not coming again. So we have this. All right, I've seen. So let me just remove that like that. Then I take the whole column like that, then come down here and paste. Okay, so those are 2 columns. So when I refresh, you see this coming there. Okay, like I want us to implement to count. Let me see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have 7 of them. So let's make these 7 boxes. Okay, so we have 2 I mean 3 4 5 6 7. So there are 7. When I come here and refresh this page, you can see we have 7 of them. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I want us to put the first one as users. So we are going to count users, number of users we have registered into the database. Okay, so let's come and start with one, with the number one, which is this one. So we say, so we just write here users. The second one is suppliers. So we come here and say suppliers. Okay, suppliers. Then the third one, sorry, is customers. Customers. Then the fourth one is medicines. Medicines. Then fifth one, stocks. Stocks. Then stocks. Then we have invoices. Okay. In invoices. Then we have, after invoices, we have purchases, which is the last one. Purchases. Okay, so when we refresh this, we see the change. So we have customers, we have suppliers, users, medicines, stocks, invoices. So we can also change these icons. Okay, so let's start with this one. So we have the icon down here. We have the icon, so we can change the icons. We have the small box icon. We can use a different we see, where is the icon? The icon is here. Okay, we have the icon here, this one. So let's just try to find. Okay, this is for more. That's okay. We have the icon which is coming after the users. So the icon is coming here. Let me check what is coming from the purchases. So you can see the purchases. When we remove that, let me see. If we remove this, for instance, if you remove this, watch carefully. So I can reduce this to make you see. I'll try to reduce this. This one is a bit longer, but already you have that one. Just the same thing we've copied, you have it on your, when we were copying this, we took it direct from our theme, so you remember that. So when I refresh this, you see I just want to remove those icons. I don't want them. Okay, I don't want them for now. So I will try to clean the code by removing them. So if I refresh this, all the icons are removed and now the boxes are clicked. So now we want to implement here so that we are going to count the number of users which are present. Okay, let me remove the sidebar. Let me remove user here. Let me remove setting model. I don't need it. Let me remove these things. Okay, so I'm just going to remain with, I need the bar dashboard controller. Where is it? The dashboard controller. This is all I need. So we are going to write everything here under the dashboard. So what do you need to do? So we come to right, just to implement, we start with the one for, so we say data. So data, then we count the total customers. Okay, let's call it total users. Okay, so we can say total users. So we go to user. Okay, okay, so we go to users, we go to users models. Actually we need not to count. Okay, we can count the total users, total suppliers, total. Okay, total users. So we go to users where role users, or actually we don't need that, we don't need this, so we just count everything. We don't need that. We just need to count everything that is there. Okay, so count, and then we are going to count. Actually we need to write a condition. So we have total users where is deleted is equal to 0. So everything that's work well because we have the condition. So we are going to regard the users which are deleted as not existing. So here we are. So we are only going to count the column where is deleted is equal to 0. Then we count. So we come here, we copy the users that is there. Sorry, save this. Then we come to dashboard. Okay, so we come to dashboard, and how are we going to do it? So we come down here where we have users, actually here, and then we put it in this form. So we say user count. Okay, so it's not user count. Let me see. We have total users, and then we save this. Yeah, total users, then we save that. When we come to refresh this page, when we refresh this page, we get 8. So we have 8 users. Okay, so let's just see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have 8 users, you can see. Okay, so you can make it a little bit bigger. So maybe you can say we're going to make it h1 so that we see something bigger. Okay, h1, then we close h1. So when we refresh this, is 8 users, so it's a bit bigger. Okay, so you can style it up. Maybe you want it to be in the middle, you can do it the way you want. And then when we come to suppliers, we do the same. So we come to our dashboard controller here, let's bring it here, and then we count the supplier. So we come data, love to write data, then total suppliers we are getting in the supplier model. Okay, suppliers model. So you can see automatically this suppliers model has been imported there. So you need to do that the same. So where is deleted is equal to 0, we simply do the same. So you come and let me see, come and put here as total suppliers. Okay, then let's also make this thing h1. Okay, h1. So we need to come refresh this, we get 4 suppliers. So when you come to the suppliers table, where is the suppliers tables? There is the supplier table. We click, we see we have 4. So it's very accurate. Now I want us to continue by simply clicking this link. So we implement everything at a go. So we get this. This is the URL for the users. Okay, we get that URL and we attach it here direct. So when we come to more for users, where is it? It's here. We come to this URL and then we put URL. So we put that. Okay, so when we come back here and then we click more, it opens users direct, you can see. Okay, likewise to suppliers, when we come here, we copy this link here and then we come with suppliers here, suppliers, save. You come, click more, you can see that we have more suppliers are coming. To customers, the same we do to customers. So we come to dashboard controller. Let's write this data, and let's say total medicine. We can count for total customers, total suppliers. Let's just write this for now, and then we just put it. So we have total invoices, total suppliers, total purchases, then okay, total suppliers we have done. So we are remaining with the total customers. We are going to call total customers. Okay, so let's come here and say we are going to customers model. Okay, customers model where is deleted is equal to 0. So that is actually what we wrote. When you come to customers model, where is customers model? Here, and you can see is deleted is equal to 0. We get the record. Okay, so where is deleted is equal to 0, count. Okay, we do this the same to medicines. So we say medicine models, and you say where is deleted is equal to 0. Then we also do the same to invoices, and then you say in invoices model where is deleted is equal to 0, count. Then lastly we say the purchases model. Okay, so we have the purchases model where is deleted is equal to 0, and ensure you import all these models as you can see them up here. Ensure that they are all imported. So we come here, we are now implementing medicines. Okay, so we come to our side. Now let's implement customer. We go step by step. We come to dashboard. It is suppliers we are done with. We are going to customers. So let's put h1. So total customers, paste it there, save. We come to here, and then we come to customers. We copy the URL, come, paste it here, save that. Then we are coming to medicine now. Okay, so come to medicine, copy medicine up here, copy, you come, delete this, actually delete everything here, then you put the one for medicine, come and copy this. I don't know why it will not copy that. Yeah, it is copied now. Then we come here and click on medicines, copy this URL, come, paste it here, paste the URL there. Then we come to stocks, we come to stocks. Oh, after medicines we have stocks. Okay, so data, stock, total stock, let me see, do we have stock model? Yeah, we have stock model. Okay, so we come and say stock model, so it's imported. Then we say is deleted is equal to 0, because everything we did the same way. And you come here and delete this, and then you put it h1. So this one is going to be stock. Okay, then a stock, and then we are also going to copy this admin stocks, the URL which is there, and we put it here. Okay. Put it there. So our next is invoices. So we come to invoices. I think we've done with the customers, right? So we are coming to invoices. We done with customers. Let me just check. So we have 4 customers. Yeah. So we are done with customers. So we are coming to, we can see medicine and stocks are 2. So we are going to invoices. Okay. So let's just copy invoices, invoice model, and then we come and put it here. Okay. So we have total invoices. Okay. And then we come here and copy. Where's the invoices? So we come in the copy the invoices. You come here and paste it here. Okay. Invoices. You save. So we have invoices. How many? 3 of them. So we have 3 invoices. When you click more, it takes you here to the invoices that we already have. Then the last one is purchases. So let's copy the total purchases. You come and put it here, use h1. So come again, click on purchase, and you put the URL. like that. So when you come here, go to dashboard, you can see that we have 3 purchases. Okay, when you click on this, it takes you to where the purchases are. If you come to invoices, you click, it takes you to where the invoices are. Likewise to stocks, we have only 2 stocks, stock taken. Okay, yeah, so that is how we make our dashboard. And this our dashboard the way we needed it is nice one. And in our next tutorial we will see how we can print our invoices to the PDF. Thank you for watching, and I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you've not subscribed, and check the bell icon so that you will receive notification easily in future. And may you share these tutorials with your friends and family so that they can also benefit together with you. They can learn new things, and they become even more perfect. If you the only one way that you can support me is by ensuring that I get traffic to this channel. Thank you very much.